But in China, the social insurance is mandatory, but the commercial insurance is not mandatory. The key question I want to sort of highlight to the audience is when people are employed in China, they get to understand social insurance because any, respecting accountant or advisor will tell them about the cost of social insurance and it will be factored into their payroll. And I think that because it's mandatory and that they might not realize that it doesn't include employer liability insurance because like you said, like in the UK, employer liability insurance, commercial insurance is mandatory. And then you have the national insurance, which is of course mandatory. But in China, the social insurance is mandatory, but the commercial insurance is not mandatory.
Exactly.
So therefore, a lot of employer liability is not covered by the mandatory insurance that you get when that you have to pay when you're in China. Therefore, you have to look and buy commercial insurance to manage this risk. And so, just going back to that point about traveling to work, and like one sort of aspect that I've considered is like the social insurance might cover like the hospital bill if someone gets injured at work, but then it might not cover like the time off the medical period if they have to take 6 months off work because they were traveling to work, and the social insurance will not cover that. So the commercial, the employer liability insurance would, if it wasn't the fault of the employee.